Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play. And today is so cool because I got my Doll Awards trophy to present to all of you, which is not now. Not presenting right now. Unboxing right now, not presenting right now. So definitely follow the Doll Awards on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, also Chloe Sky, Johnny, Elvira. I'll tag them all below. Thank you so much for this doll and this award. I'm so excited to present it. I'm so excited to be part of the Doll Awards. The Doll Awards to me is so great. I have been watching the Doll Awards for 2 years now, and I really wanted to be on the Doll Awards, so I messaged Elvira myself a few months ago asking, hey, I would love to be on the Doll Awards. Do you mind? And she was like, heck yeah! And so I was like, great! And it happened. So without further ado, let's get this doll unboxed. It's like opening up a Christmas present. Like, seriously, I'm so excited. I can't even hold my excitement. You can probably tell the smile on my face. I'm just so excited to be part of the Doll Awards. I really admire everybody who does them, and so it really means a lot to me. So let's get this doll out and see what the trophy looks like. Look at her! She's so cute. Oh my gosh. She's got glitter in her hair and her shoes are so precious. She is molded onto the snowflake and it is not heavy. It is perfect. I'm so excited to present this doll award to the person who really earns it. And I'm so stoked to be part of the Doll Awards. Please follow the Doll Awards on YouTube. Definitely comment below if you see me on there. They're gonna be out December. I should know this, but I'll have more updates as we go. But it'll be out in December. I hope you guys watch it. I'm excited for the Doll Awards and I hope you are too. So let's kind of go over this doll. So see, she's got glitter in her hair. Oh, look at her hair. So she's got that glitter in her hair. And she has this beautiful jacket that goes over. And the tulle is just gorgeous. Look at that. There's tulle. And Chloe made these herself. I can't believe it. They're absolutely stunning. And they just look like such quality. This outfit is seriously to die for. But she's beautiful. Look at the markings on her hands from the glitter. It's so cute. And her legs are all glittery. Look at this award. Oh my gosh. I hope whoever gets this award is just so excited and so honored and just so happy to receive this award. And I cannot wait to present it, as I've said a million times. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye! What's this? Oh. There's a surprise! I got a little box of stuff. So this is a Naturalista's doll. And this is her clothing and stuff that came with the doll, and they sent it to me so I can dress my Barbies. That's really sweet of them, and look how cute of a box it was put in. So, in this envelope, I have the Doll Awards 2023 nominees in here. So if you want to see them, definitely follow the Doll Awards, and you'll get to see the categories and the people who win. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys. Bye!